Ever wondered how some individuals wield the power to shake up entire corporations? Ever heard about the term corporate raiders? In the high-octane world of business, there exist figures who, with their shrewd strategies and audacious tactics, can influence the fate of entire corporations. They are known as corporate raiders. These individuals or entities are often shareholders who use their stakes in a company to push for changes that can drastically alter the company's direction. They are known for their aggressive investment strategies, often taking over companies by buying large amounts of their stock and then using their influence to implement changes. The term corporate raider might sound like it's straight out of a blockbuster movie, but it's a very real and influential role in the business world. Corporate raiders are known for their bold, often controversial tactics. They've been likened to pirates, shaking up the corporate seas with their daring maneuvers. Their goal? To unlock value in businesses where they see potential, even if it means stirring up some waves along the way. Over the years, many corporate raiders have made headlines with their audacious strategies and significant impacts on the companies they target. Names like Carl Icahn, Nelson Peltz, and T. Boone Pickens have become synonymous with this high-stakes game of corporate chess. Their audacity and business acumen have led them to influence some of the most significant corporate shakeups in recent history. These are individuals who aren't afraid to challenge the status quo, to shake things up, to push for change even when it faces resistance. They are the mavericks of the business world, the ones who see opportunities where others see obstacles. They are the ones who aren't afraid to take risks, to make bold moves, to challenge the powers that be. And among these influential corporate raiders, there's one name that stands out. A man who's become famous for his sharp wit, his unapologetic approach, and his knack for spotting opportunities where others don't. A man who's not just a corporate raider, but a true influencer in the world of business. One such corporate raider who has made a significant impact in this arena is Daniel Loeb. So who exactly is Daniel Loeb, and how did he become a corporate raider? Well, let's turn back the clock and take a look at his early life. Born in Santa Monica, California, Loeb was raised in a family deeply embedded in the financial world. His father was a lawyer and his mother a historian, but it was his great aunt who sparked his interest in the stock market. Loeb attended Columbia University, where he honed his skills in economics. After graduation, he stepped into the world of high finance, working for Warburg Pincus and Island Records before venturing into private equity with Lafer Equity Investors. However, Loeb's true breakthrough came in 1995 when he founded Third Point LLC, a hedge fund named after Malibu's surf break. With a keen eye for undervalued assets and a fearless approach to investing, Loeb quickly made a name for himself in the cutthroat world of Wall Street. Loeb's journey didn't stop there, he was just getting started. From its inception, Third Point was destined to make waves. This isn't just a statement about Daniel Loeb's hedge fund, it's a testament to his unyielding drive and innovative strategies that led to its rise. Third Point took flight in the year 1995, founded by Loeb himself. It was born from a simple yet powerful idea, to create a hedge fund that was not just about making profits, but about making a difference in the corporate world. The name, Third Point, was inspired by Loeb's love for surfing, particularly the Third Point at Malibu's Surfrider Beach, where the biggest and most challenging waves are found. Just like those waves, Third Point was set to challenge the status quo of the financial world. The growth of Third Point was nothing short of meteoric. From managing a few $1 million in assets at its inception, it has grown exponentially to manage $12 billion in assets today. This is no small feat, and it is a testament to Loeb's strategic acumen and relentless pursuit of growth. Loeb employed a variety of strategies to expand Third Point. He was not afraid to take risks, and was always on the lookout for undervalued companies to invest in. His strategy often involved taking large positions in companies, pushing for changes to increase shareholder value, and then reaping the benefits when the company's stock prices rose. Loeb's approach wasn't always popular, but it was undeniably effective. His strategies often put him at odds with corporate boards, but his successes spoke for themselves. He was a force to be reckoned with in the business world, and his influence only grew as Third Point's assets under management increased. But Third Point wasn't just about making money. Loeb saw it as a platform to drive change in the corporate world. He used the fund's influence to push for better corporate governance, more transparency, and higher standards of accountability. With Third Point, Loeb had built a powerful vehicle for corporate rating. But more than that, he had built a platform to drive change and make a difference in the world of business. Loeb's approach to investing is far from passive. A corporate raider with a sharp eye for undervalued businesses, Daniel Loeb has made a name for himself with his assertive investing strategies. These strategies are not just about buying low and selling high, they're about active engagement with the companies in which he invests, pushing for changes that he believes will unlock their true value. One of the most prominent examples of Loeb's activist investing is his infamous showdown with Yahoo in 2011. Not satisfied with the direction in which the company was headed, Loeb launched a proxy fight, a strategic move that allows an investor to gain control of a company by convincing other shareholders to vote in their favor. The result? Loeb successfully ousted Yahoo's CEO Scott Thompson and steered the company towards a more profitable trajectory. Then there was Sotheby's, the leading auction house. In 2013, Loeb targeted the company, expressing dissatisfaction with its leadership and financial performance. What ensued was a bitter proxy battle that ended with Loeb winning 3 board seats, a victory that enabled him to influence the company's future direction. And let's not forget about Dow Chemical's agro-sciences unit. In 1999, Loeb played a key role in its sale to Eli Lilly, a move that significantly reshaped the company and its market position. Each of these battles was not just about gaining control, but about catalyzing change. Loeb's interventions often lead to shakeups in management, strategic shifts, and sometimes even complete business overhauls. These actions can have far-reaching implications, impacting not just the companies themselves but also the broader market. Loeb's activist investing strategy is not without controversy. Critics argue that it can create instability and short-term focus, but supporters point to the increased value that can result from such interventions, arguing that they can help businesses realize their full potential. No matter where you stand on the issue, one thing is clear. Loeb's influence has undeniably reshaped the landscape of these corporations. His approach to investing may be aggressive, but it's also proven to be incredibly effective at driving change and creating value. Beyond his business ventures, Loeb also has a strong commitment to philanthropy. Indeed, Daniel Loeb is not just a corporate raider and a shrewd businessman, but he also has a heart for giving back to society. His current business ventures are as diverse as his philanthropic activities, and he uses his wealth and influence to make a difference in the world. In the world of business, Loeb's strategies continue to be as sharp and effective as ever. His hedge fund, Third Point, currently manages $12 billion in assets, making it one of the most powerful entities in the finance industry. His savvy investment strategies and keen market insights have not only multiplied his wealth, but also transformed the fortunes of many companies. But it's not all about business for Loeb. He is equally committed to philanthropy and is involved in various charitable causes. One of the causes close to his heart is Alzheimer's research. Recognizing the devastating impact of this disease, Loeb has generously funded research initiatives aimed at finding a cure. He also supports educational reform, understanding the power of education to transform lives and societies. He believes in equal opportunities for all and has contributed significantly towards initiatives that promote quality education for everyone. Loeb's philanthropy also extends to advocating for LGBT rights. He is a vocal supporter of the community and has made substantial contributions to organizations that fight for LGBT rights and equality. In the midst of all these, Loeb has never lost sight of his roots. He often talks about his humble beginnings and credits his success to the values of hard work and perseverance instilled in him from a young age. This awareness of his journey has made him a compassionate philanthropist who is determined to give back to society. To sum it all up, Daniel Loeb is a man of many facets. He's a corporate raider who shakes up boardrooms, a shrewd businessman who turns around companies, and a philanthropist who believes in giving back to society. But above all, he is a man who never forgets where he came from and uses his success to make a difference. Daniel Loeb's journey is one of relentless ambition, strategic acumen, and impactful generosity. From his early days, he displayed an innate sense of business, ultimately founding the New York-based hedge fund, Third Point, which now manages a staggering $12 billion in assets. His business acumen is well demonstrated in his successful high-profile hostile takeovers, such as the proxy fights against Yahoo and Sotheby's, where his strategies saw him triumph against the odds. Loeb isn't just about business, though. His philanthropic endeavors are just as impactful. His generous support for causes like Alzheimer's research, education reform, and LGBT rights is a testament to his commitment to societal improvement. His net worth, as of January 20, 2024, is an impressive $3.3 billion. But Loeb's journey doesn't stop here. His current ventures continue to push boundaries and reshape industries. Daniel Loeb, a name that echoes powerfully in the corridors of finance and philanthropy, continues to shape and influence the world around him.